Hi, I'm Roy from Roy's Garage. Today we're going to be testing out WD-40 to restore a headlight. Let's find out. So I'm going to be spraying WD-40 on a napkin. So I'm going to be wiping down the headlight. Oh, that looks pretty nice. But how long will it last? So I'm going to be putting some water on a napkin, be wiping down the light. Oh, it looks pretty dull. Looks like when we first started. So don't use WD-40 to restore your headlight. It's only a temporary fix. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and I see you in the next video. Aloha.